Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today our topic is age problem using linear equation in one variable. So kung bago pa lang po kayo sa channel natin, paki-support naman po guys para you won't miss out future videos na i-share namin sa inyo at mas ma-notify rin kayo sa mga incoming mathematics knowledge na i-share namin sa inyo. So before we continue, allow me to read this problem. Mrs. Cross is 36 years old and her son is 4 years. So when will the mother be twice as old as her son? Okay? So given here, Mrs. Cross age is 36 and her son is 44. And the requirement in this problem is what will be the age of the mother be twice as old as her son. Okay, so to solve this problem, please allow me to use algebraic expression using x variable. Okay, so let x is equal to the number of years that the mother will be twice as old as her son. Okay, so this is our first condition. Second condition is 4 plus x. Okay, 4 is the age of her son. Okay, 4 plus x is equal to son age. Okay, in x years. Okay, now we have already the two conditions. So to solve further, we need to tabulate. We need to make some tabulation or table regarding this datas. Okay. So, shall we use a family? Okay. So, who are the members of the family? Okay, the mother and the son. Okay. So, next column is age now. Okay. So, what is the age of the mother as of now? 36 given the problem, right? And what about the son? Is 4. Okay. Now, what will be their future age? Okay, future age so as you can see in the problem guys, the future age of mother will be 36 plus x, our variable. Okay, and the son will be 4 plus x. Okay, so as you can see in the problem, it was stated there that the future age of his son is thrice, as you can see here, thrice. Now, to equate this equation, to equate these two conditions, we have 36 plus x is equal to 4 plus x. Okay, so since there is a condition here, thrice, the mother age will be thrice as old as her son. Okay, so this will be multiplied by 3. Okay, so to simplify this expression, 36 plus x is equal to 3 times 4. Okay, 12 plus 3 times x, 3x. Okay, so applying distributive property, this is now the expression came out. 3 times 4, 12, 3 times x is 3x. So combine like terms, so x okay, sorry, 3x plus x is equal to sorry, this is minus 3x minus x, since you have to transfer on the other side. So 3x minus x is equal to, okay, 36 minus 12. Correct? So 3x minus x is equal to 2x is equal to 36 minus 12 will be 24. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. Divided by 2. Both sides. Cancel 2. So x is equal to 24 divided by 2 is 12. Okay. So this is the value of the number of years that the mother will be thrice as old as her son. So x, okay, is equal to 12. Now to prove this problem, whether our computed x is equal to 12 is correct, so by going back to the condition, okay, since 36 plus x, 36 plus x, okay, to prove 36 plus x is equal to 12. 12 plus 3x. Okay, 12 plus 3x. So substitute the value of x in this equation. So we have 36 plus 12 equal to 12 plus 3 times 12. 36 plus 12 is equal to 48. Okay, 12 plus 36. 12 plus 36 is equal to 48. So they are both equal between the two conditions, meaning to say our answer of the problem is correct, which is equal to 12. This one, guys. Okay, now any questions? If you have some doubt, just please put some your comment below the video, or otherwise if you understand the problem, then it's better, so we can proceed further. So I hope some students understand this simple problem regarding age problem using linear equation in one variable. Okay, so to understand further, I will give you another one example. Okay, this is the second problem that I mentioned earlier regarding age problem. So it states that John is 1/4 as old as his father. Next year, their ages will total of 42 years. So the requirement is how old is it now? Okay, so as you can see in the problem, guys, to solve this problem, again using algebraic expression, Let x is equal to is equal to John age in years now. Okay. Second condition is 4x is equal to the father age. Okay, father age. Father age in years now. Okay. So these are the two conditions we arrive from the problem. Now, as you can see here, we need to make some tabulation regarding this problem. Okay. So allow me to say family. Okay. So who are those members in this family for this particular problem? John, okay, he's the son, okay, and the one is the father. So age now. So what is the age now of John? Okay, it's x is a variable, okay, and the father is 4x. So this one, this third column is the age next year, okay, age next year. So what will be the age next year for John? So it will be x plus 1. Why 1? Because they are talking about next year. So we will add only as 1. Since it is mentioned age next year. So we'll consider as plus 1. Okay? And the father is 4x. Okay? Plus 1. So knowing these parameters, we can now equate these two conditions. So next year, their ages will total. Next year, their ages will total of 42 as mentioned in this problem. Okay, 42. So to equate this problem, x John, okay, x plus 1 is equal to father is 4x plus 1. Sorry, this is plus, okay? Plus, this is plus, okay? Is equal to 42. This is the age. Their ages in next year, both. Okay? So, to simplify this equation, as you can see here, okay, x plus 1 plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 42. Okay, x plus 4x is 5x. Plus 1 plus 1 is 2, equal to 42. So 5x, transfer the 2 to the right side, 42 minus 2, so 5x, 42 minus 2 is 40. So x will be 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Okay. So the age of John is equal to 8. Okay. This is the age of John 8. Age of John in year now is equal to 8. Okay. And his father is 4x. 4x is equal to 4 times 8 is equal to 32. So these are the age of John and his father. The age of his father is 32 and the age of John is 8. Okay. Now to check this problem, the sounder ages in next year is 42. So we need to substitute value or value of x, okay, from the original expression, whether it is equal to 42. Now x plus 1, since x is 8, so 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, plus 4x, 4 times x, which is 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 1 is equal to 42. Okay, so 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, 10 plus 32 is equal to 42. 10 plus 32 is equal to 42. So meaning they are equal. So our solution in this problem regarding the age of John and his father is correct, since it is equal 42 for checking. Since we arrived at checking of this age is equal to 42. So our value for x is equal to 8 and his father for x is equal to 32. So our answer is correct in this problem. So guys, I hope this simple problem will help you to understand. If you encounter this one in the school, or if you are studying some mathematics regarding age problem using linear equation in one variable. So I hope you subscribe our channel so that you don't miss out regarding our future videos, para mas marami pa kami may share na knowledge or ideas regarding mathematics. So again guys, kindly subscribe also para mas marami pa tayong ma-share. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.